What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. I'm gonna put on a right or so. Right or so, I'm putting on. Hold up. Hold on a minute, y'all. Alright, so let's just say we didn't want to do some outdoor cooking for now, right? But it's been raining all night. Last night we had thunderstorm, we had you name it, we had it. So everything wet outside. So we don't want to cook some liver and them something there, but I'm not gonna do it inside. No worry yourself. Banana, yam, dumpling, them thing there. Still have go on. Just make sure to say subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed and turn on your post notification so you won't miss another upload, alright? Now get right into the video, so make we start.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth would tear for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Alright, goodies, so over here so we have some flour. We have liver right here, so of course a liver we're gonna cook this morning for breakfast. Then I have some yam right here, so I have to go peel it up real good because yam start touch. So I have to get the best out of that. We have some banana here, some green banana, but we didn't have them at the fridge, so them kind of get, we call it frail or whatever, but them still tough. So we're going to go with them 4 green banana here. Skeleton thyme, and then I have a little bit of ginger we're going to add to the liver. These tomatoes are salad, the way you want to call it. These are fresh from my garden outside. Husband plant them up, and pepper that we have from the garden. I have an onion here. I'm gonna add some oil, some vinegar, and then to spice it up, we're gonna use the combo seasoning. This is a similar one to the Orchard's combo seasoning. I have to, I'm gonna do a different video with the two of them, with this one and the Orchard's one. I'm making know the difference, eh? But since I'm gonna cook beef liver, I decided I'm gonna use the meat seasoning. I'm gonna use that one, yeah. And then I'm gonna use some of this. Everybody know about Maggi, all-purpose seasoning, so we're gonna go with that. Onion and garlic powder right here, so salt. We need some black pepper. Yeah, some black pepper. Yeah, black pepper. So we'll go for the black pepper. And that's about it. So now go ahead and add some salt to this. Add a little bit of oil because it does something nice and soft to the dumpling them. And then knead it up, put it in another pot, and get everything going. Alright, so make us start cooking here. I cut up the liver. So now I'm going to wash my hand, make sure my hand nice and clean. Wash off the board because we are dealing meat. Anytime you want to cook any kind of meat, make sure you clean up after yourself. And I use this to clean up my cutting board because of course I'm going to use it to cut up the vegetables there. So I have to make sure that's nice and clean always. Okay. Alright, so now give this a nice little wash. Just simple. I'm going to use some vinegar, a little bit of salt just to take off the edge off of it, and just season it up. Alright, so you definitely can see the difference after I wash it off with the vinegar. The vinegar does change the color. That's why I know it's nice and clean and ready for season up. So I'm going to add 1 tomato, 1 onion, 2 stalks of scallion, some ginger, and then I'm going to add some fresh thyme to it. That's basically that. Now if you want to add pimento seeds, allspice, you can add maybe 6 or so, but you don't want to put too much of it, and that is like totally optional, right? Give this a nice little rinse. Tomato too. Rinse off the tomato. Make sure that you rinse off your veggies, y'all, when you season up your meat and something there, because it can have dirt on it, leftover dirt. So you just want to make sure you, as you go along cooking, you are in fact cleaning, right? You don't want to put bad nothing in a belly. So make sure you wash them things. All the ginger, you clean it up too. Rinse off any dirt or anything. Pepper, and this pepper is fresh from my garden. Some scallion here, and we just go ahead and cut that up. We're gonna add it to the meat. I tell you, say people, the tomato, y'all, man, it's so sweet. We just wish that we did definitely plant some more this year. We never plant a lot this year. Last year we did better, but it's extremely sweet. So sweet. Alright, so we'll do it. Onion. And of course, I'm choosing to use this white onion. But if you don't have white onion, that's alright. For those of you that cook in liver for the first time. You could add any kind of an onion that you want to add to it. And of course, we're going to add the ginger. Ginger is going to give it a nice little flavor. Now, you can also add a little bit of turmeric. If you want to combine the ginger and the turmeric, you can definitely add both. Or just add whichever that you have at hand, right? But it does do something nice to the liver. Just dice up them, yeah? And add it to it too. I really do want to do the outdoor cooking for me, you know, but man, the rain never let up at all last night today. The rain said not today. That's been my real setback because we've been getting a lot of rain here in Atlanta. I'm not gonna put I'm not gonna cut up all of the pepper because the pepper is too bad. But I'm gonna just cut off this little piece and just add the rest side, just like that to the pot. Now, I'm gonna put this away, not too far though. And so now we're gonna season up this. Let me take up this, y'all. I'm not gonna do too much editing from the video now, so now get it really raw. Alright, so I'm gonna add some salt here, so. And then some black pepper. No, measurements, I'm not doing no measurements right now, you know. I just eyeball I do it. I'm gonna take probably maybe a pound or a pound and a half at the liver. But goodie, me just not gonna measure anything, so just I think I have another liver recipe where I probably measure the one there. I probably gonna just put that down below, alright? So they can probably follow that. But for right now, that's on there. And we just want to just in and out. And we just try to go on a nice little quick video. So I'm not really able to measure nothing. Alright. I mentioned about the pimento berries before. This is totally optional, but if you can add it to it based on how much you're gonna cook, right? But for right now, since I cook maybe a pound and a half of liver, you're gonna add exactly six pimento berries to it. Or pimento seed. And then you know, I never cook without my vinegar. You can use white vinegar. This is the apple cider vinegar. But I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of that to it. Yeah. Wait. I want to go on there, so. Why? The power of no editing, right? Now to that, I'm gonna add in the seasonings. Okay, so you add all of the seasoning you cut up on it. Just put them in the salt. Right? Anything will drop me up, pick them up. Because my kitchen always clean, right? I will do just season it up. Now, when the liver start to cook, and based on all my vibes is, then we will decide then what I want to add to it. The most important thing is season up this meat. Now, with liver, alright, you can have it sit for a little bit. I'm only make it sit for 30 minutes. And that's all I'm gonna have at hand right now because people are waiting for breakfast. So we can't make it do anything for too long. So we're gonna go ahead and just combine all the seasons here. And then let it sit for 30 minutes only, and then we're going to get started to cook. And then again, remember, like I said before, you could add some soy sauce or browning if you like your liver dark. But I'm going to get mine the color that we want as it go along. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. But yeah, 30 minutes or so, and we'll get the dumpling and everything all ready up. But basically, this is what we have here, right? I'm going to go ahead and sit it and come back to the next. So, okay, goodies. So my banana and my yam already peeled up. But I always like to kind of soak it in, like, put it in some water, some cold water, and just let it sit. So that way the banana not change color and get dark. Neither the yam, and a little bit of oil is in it as well. While me knead up the dumpling and stuff. Now remember, guys, that I did tell you that I added some oil to it. Added some oil and a tad bit of salt. So, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and add the yam in, the dumpling, and then put the banana on the top. So that way the banana not gets overcooked or mash out, right? Because I've obviously now cook it in the skin, so it will cook really fast. So we add the yam, the dumpling, and then add the banana on top. Okay, good. So we're gonna add some butter to it. Alright, so I'm gonna add some paprika. A little bit of brown. Okay, goodies, we're gonna do a voice over right here, so because I have music playing in the background. But anywho, give the videos a thumbs up, like and share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Make them know where I'm going over here, bring them, come and send them, come I'm waiting. After you get done doing all of that, tell me where you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.